Halo teman-teman, selamat malam. Kali ini kita akan bermain game Mafia 2 Definitive Edition. Nah, untuk gamenya seperti apa? Langsung saja kita new game aja dah. Di medium. Oke. Let's go. Bagus nih kayaknya nih. Ya ini emang game bagus. Gue emang pernah mainin beberapa kali, tapi kita lihat sekarang Mafia 2. Ini karakter yang akan kita mainin.
My name is Vito Scaletta. I was born in Sicily in 1925. That little guy's me. I'm standing there with my parents and my sister Francesca in front of our old house. I don't really remember too much about the old country, except that we were pretty hard up. And then one day my father decided it was time to move away. Away from Sicily, across the ocean, to start a new life in America.
Nanti gue akan jelasin sedikit ya abis cutscene ini.
Never in my life had I seen anything as fantastic as Empire Bay. It was beautiful. On the other hand, I'd never seen anything filthier, more disgusting than our new shithole of an apartment. The American dream was more like a nightmare. My father started working at the port for the guy who arranged our immigration. It was backbreaking work, and what little money he made mostly went towards booze. Eventually, my parents sent me to school. I had to learn English. I sure as hell wasn't going to do that in a neighborhood full of Italians. That's where I met Joe.
Come on, Vito, hurry it up. We ain't got all night.
Over time, Joe and I got to be best friends. And since we were both poor and there wasn't much work around, oh shit, we started a little business of our own.
Freeze! Police! Stop! Vito, this way! Throw me to bed! Stop! I'm gonna shoot!
Shit.
Okay, you bastard. Spread your legs.
Fuck.
Now put your hands on the fence.
I'm sorry, Vito.
Well, that one time it didn't work out so good. The year was 1943. America was at war. And the army was looking for guys who spoke the language to help with the invasion of Sicily. I was 18. And anything seemed better than jail. Who says you can't go home again?
Oke, kita mulai gamenya.
Operation Husky. I was assigned to the 504th Parachute Infantry. On the 11th of July, we were supposed to be dropped over the southern coast of Sicily. But we got hit by flak and had to bail out. Way behind enemy lines. Only 3 of us made it. If it wasn't for the local resistance, we wouldn't have had a chance. So when Mussolini's soldiers came into the town and started rounding everybody up, I decided to return to family.
Se nessuno parla, quest'uomo morirà.
Oke, kita mulai game.
All right, Scaletta.
Allora,
shot.
traditori! Pensavate di poter giocare con noi? Di tradirci?
Nice, nice. Sudah.
Let's move! On me!
Oke. Let's go, let's go.
Gesù!
Ammacciare, senza fare prigioniere
Cosa
prima che arriva all'esercito.
Corporal, this guy's saying there's more troops headed this way.
All right. You and Williams take out that MG,
maju.
then find the prisoners.
Pencet spasi.
We're gonna need every man we can get. Ain't getting through this way. Looks like we found the machine gun.
Yeah.
Watch it. You got a grenade, Scaletta. This would be a great fucking time to use. Put a grenade. Whoa!
Jadi ini ceritanya pas perang dunia 2 ya.
Scaletta, you alive? Yeah, just
Aman.
Well, then get off your ass and let's move it. Grab all the ammo you can
Senjata.
carry. This might be our last chance.
Lumayan nih. Ambilin dulu. Oh,
On the stairs! Hey, baseball. Catch!
nice. Oke, it's out.
Must have the
Mantap.
prisoners upstairs. Clear the second floor. Scaletta, you
Uccidete
take
gli
behind you.
ostaggi!
Dove minchia devi chiedo?
Oke, masih hidup.
Mori, fai tu!
Salah,
Got him.
Tap.
The door, Scaletta. Kick it in.
Oke, aish.
Arrenditi.
Mana lagi nih? Ini kah?
Shit. Looks like we're going this way. Come on.
Kalau telepon.
Oh, shit. I'm gonna get these fucking guys. Gives a fuck. Just keep shooting. What the hell's it look like I'm doing?
More shooting, less talking.
Hey, fine by me, asshole.
Aduh,
Shit, this battle isn't gonna work.
kok
We
gak
gotta
kena?
keep moving. Let's get inside. Get inside. Go back. Hurry. Move it.
Ah,
Amo dei fascisti! Arrivano amo dei fascisti! Puttana, non posti! Hey, stick your food country up your ass! Down by the church! Down by the church! Oh shit, they got artillery! Get inside! Now!
peng. Bisa turun.
Ammazzare tutti chi dica giù. Cosa state parlando? Dicevo al mio amico di stare attento. Fregatene di fare attenzione, fai ciò che ti è stato detto! Ma che diavolo sta dicendo? Chi si crede di essere? Un'offerta da fare!
Repi davvero Don Calò?
Kalau katanya.
Un congeco hanno samarità come cucina. Ma chi è quello? Lo conoscete? Lo conoscono tutti. Don Calò è un uomo d'onore.
È uno stupido trucco degli americani, non ditemi che gli credete!
No, è davvero Don Calò. Ogni tanto dovresti ascoltare i consigli di noiazzi del posto. Ci rendiamo?
Sapete che potete fidarvi di me. Che ne dite,
Don Carlo, the head of the Sicilian mob. An entire garrison of troops surrendered that day. Why? Because he told them to.
Ini tuh pemimpin mafia di Italia. Sweet Home, chapter 2. Oke. Oh, kayaknya pulang perang nih. Tadi ada taunya gak sih? Lupa
A few years later, the Nazis put a bullet in me. I was in the hospital for a bit. Then I got a month's leave so I could go home. At least for a little while.
Oh, ini temennya tadi, si Joe.
Vito! Over here!
Joe!
Hey! Welcome home, buddy.
How'd you know?
I got my sources. Come on, let's take a ride.
Nice car.
Comes with the territory. I know you're itching to get home, but first, let's get a beer.
Yeah, sure.
Mabok dulu katanya, guys.
There it is. Empire Bay. Tell the truth, you miss it?
Hey, there's a bear shit in the woods. Not like this place ever done me any favors, but anything's better than a foxhole. It's with this shitty weather.
They're saying this is the coldest winter on record. Papers say it's gonna keep up like this for weeks. Don't worry though, a drink will warm you right up. How long's it been since we had a drink together, Vito? 2 years?
Almost 3. Tony Sicelli's party, right?
Come on, Vito, come on. The last drink we had together was right after your romance funeral. Right before you shipped out. You remember.
5 minutes, we're already talking about my deadbeat father. Can we change the subject, please?
So tell me, pal, what was it like over there anyway? I kept reading the papers to see what was going on, and you know how much I hate reading.
Yeah, I know.
You guys kicked Mussolini's ass, right?
Sort of. We had a little help from a guy named Don Carlo.
No shit, Don Colo. I heard of him.
Really?
You bet. I know guys like him over here, wise guys. You work for them, you're set. You fuck with them, you die.
Nice to see you've been busy.
Yeah,
Kayaknya si Don
and I
Carlo
heard
itu
you got a medal,
pemimpin
right?
mafia di
From old man Patton himself.
Italia kayaknya.
Whoa, so you're a real war hero, huh? And then what? You screwed a couple of Sicilian broads and came home?
Si Vito dapat
Yeah, the old country.
dapat medali.
Over here, you can
medali
screw anything with a heartbeat. No one gives a
pahlawan
shit.
perang.
What a country. Here's to the US of A and to having you back home.
Oh, belum ya.
Here we are. All right, thanks. Keep the change.
Jadi ceritanya tuh si Vito waktu kecil, si Vito itu pindah ke Amerika sama orang tuanya karena beberapa alasan. Nah, kemudian setelah sampai di Amerika, Vito
Hello, Mrs.
sekolah karena si Vito harus belajar bahasa Inggris. Nah, setelah si Vito sekolah, dia ketemu sama si Joe. Si Joe ini ya kayak sahabatnya si Vito lah. Karena keluarga mereka tuh pas di Amerika ini ya bisa dikatakan keluarga miskin lah. Makanya si Joe sama si Vito suka ngerampok toko. Tapi pada tahun 1943, ketika umurnya masih 18 tahun, dia ketangkep sama apa tuh? Pesawat tempur kayaknya tuh. Ini masih perang kayaknya. Jadi pas ketangkep tuh karena ini lagi perang dunia 2, si Vito tuh karena dia orang Italia dikirimlah jadi tentara Amerika yang dikirim ke Italia karena tentara Amerika butuh orang Italia di tentaranya gitu. Singkat cerita, beberapa tahun kemudian si Vito pas lawan Nazi terluka, akhirnya dipulangin, tapi si Vito tuh masih harus balik ke medan perang. Tapi kata si Joe punya kenalan yang bisa bikinin surat dokter palsu, katanya gitu. Dan ya, disinilah game Mafia kedua dimulai.
Hi, Mama. I'm back.
Vito, Vito, my boy. My boy's home. I thought I'd never see you again. Francesca and me, we wait.
Hey, sis, what's going
We
on?
wait for you.
Ibu sama adeknya.
Sit down. You must be hungry, Vito. Francesca made you a special dinner, zuppa di pollo. It's good for you.
Wow, looks good, Frankie.
It's a shame your papa didn't live to see this. He would be so proud, Vito.
Yeah, sure.
Vito, you know better.
Sorry, Mama, sorry.
Apaan tuh?
Bendice Signore, pronunciare la tua
Berdoa dulu
volontà.
guys, belum makan biasaan berdoa ya.
Problema quello che ci impegna.
Per Cristo nostro Signore. Amen. You should get some sleep. Your room is just like you left it.
Terus tidur kita. Oke lah kalau gitu. Tutup lagi lah. Malu. Udah gede juga.
I'll see you 2 in the morning.
Sleep well, mio bambino.
Next day, hari berikutnya.
This ain't gonna cut it. I gotta find a place to stay.
Ini si Vito pengen nyari rumah sendiri katanya. Banyak juga ya. Oh iya guys, karena di sini gua belinya yang Definitive Edition, jadi gua dapat ini skin baju karakter Mafia 3 sama yang Mafia 1. Mungkin bukan karena definitif sih. Mungkin belinya sekalian deh sama DLC kayaknya. Jadi gua dapat kostum yang ini, yang karakter Mafia 1 sama Mafia 3. Kita coba yang Mafia 3 nih, gimana nih? pada kegedean bajunya ya. Ganti dah. Nah, coba nih yang mafia ke-1. Anjay, ini udah kayak mirip mafia nih. Udah ini aja dah. Kasihin lagi.
So you have to go back soon?
Banyak cutscene sih di awal-awal.
Actually,
emang.
looks like I won't. Joe's taking care of it for me.
Joe, you want to get into trouble again?
Mamanya udah
would you
gak
rather me
suka
go
sih
back
kayaknya
and
sama
get
si
shot
Joe
again?
nih. Penyebab masalah si Joe.
Exactly. Joe probably saved my life.
Promise that you won't get in any more trouble with that, Joe. You know, your papa used to work for this man at the waterfront named Papalardo. He's in the union. You could talk to him. Work hard like you were your papa. Talk to him. Please, promise me you go talk to him today.
Okay, Mama, okay, I promise.
Grazie a Dio.
Jadi si Vito tuh disuruh ke tempat bapaknya dulu kerja sama Papalardo katanya. Kalau paling kemana nih? Tapi kita mau ke tempat si Joe dulu. Oh iya, karena kan kita mau ngambil surat keterangan dokter. Apa namanya nih? Mike Monte. Kita udah siapa tuh?
I don't give a
sorry.
damn. I don't
You'll
care
get
if you
the
gotta
money.
sell
Hey,
Jadi kita
promise.
lagi diancam kayaknya nih.
What the hell's going on here?
Vito!
You mind your business, asshole.
Oh, yeah? Yeah?
Gelut.
Come on, Junior. I'm gonna take you to school.
Oh, tough guy, scaring a woman, huh? Come on, show me what you got.
Vito, please! You're making it even
Oke,
worse.
nice. Oke. Gitu.
Stop, please! Vito, what are you doing?
Salah mencet guys, sorry.
This isn't your problem.
Come on, coward!
Pencet apa tadi?
Get yourself into more trouble, Vito.
Mampus.
Fuck this. Yeah, that's right. Get the fuck out of here. You're gonna be
Gak unik ya
sorry.
mekaniknya ya.
Both of you.
What the hell was that all about?
I'm sorry, Vito. We didn't want to bother you with this.
Bother me? Bother me with what? Come on, tell me what's going on here, Frankie.
Right before he died, Papa borrowed money. A lot of money from a loan shark. Thinking he'd get a better job and pay him
Yang tadi
back.
tuh debt
We
collector
found out
kayaknya.
right after you left for the war.
How much?
$2,000.
What? Shit.
The worst thing is, this guy wants it all back by the end of this week. Otherwise, the debt goes up again.
I ain't gonna make that kind of money working at the port. Who is this guy?
I don't know. Mama won't tell me. It's okay, Vito. We'll manage somehow.
Don't worry. I'll take care of this. I promise.
Thanks, Vito. Take care of yourself.
Aman.
I gotta get my hands on $2,000 fast. I bet Joe could help me out.
Jadi sebelum papanya si Vito ini meninggal, papanya tuh pinjam duit ke kayak apa ya, Loan Shark tuh simpelnya ya Bang Emok lah, kayak pinjol. Bukan pinjol sih, karena gak online ya, tempat minjem uang lah yang pasti bukan bank. Apa ya sebutannya, lupa lagi. Nah hutangnya tuh $2,000.
Is it fixed yet?
Hutangnya tuh $2,000. Nah si debt collectornya tuh minta minggu ini udah lunas $2,000-nya. Kalau enggak nanti terus bertambah hutangnya. Ya namanya pinjem ya bisa ada bunganya. Nah untuk itu kita mau cari kerja sama si Joe. Oke, let's go.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you know where Joe Barbaro lives?
To the right of the stairs, and tell him that racket last night has to stop. If he don't like it, he can find another place to live.
Oke.
Well, you're not at all. Come on in, let's talk.
You disgusting pig.
I picked up these broads on my way back from the store. I've been waiting for you. All right, girls, that's it for now. I got business. Stop by tomorrow, okay? We'll pick up where we left off. Chop, chop.
Come on, Joey. Why do we have to stop when we can all have
Bahaya ya
fun?
game ini ya.
The fun's over, baby. Later, I say. Me and Vito here haven't seen each other for a long time. We got a lot of catching up to do.
Looks like you're doing okay, Joey boy.
Not bad.
Sensor
I
kayaknya,
tell you, that
sensor,
little
sensor.
Spanish broad is fucking wild. So how'd it go at home?
Good. Mama wasn't thrilled when I mentioned your name, though. You know how she is. She wants me to get a straight job.
You gonna look for one?
I don't know, but I sure as hell ain't gonna make the same mistake my old man did. I gotta pay off his debts, then get back on my feet and get my own place. I need to make some real money, and punching the clock ain't gonna cut it.
Hey, you can stay with me as long as you need to, and we'll find you a job where you can make good money without killing yourself, all right?
Music to my ears. Right now, I'm living off the $20 the state gives me every week.
I know lots of people who pay well for risky jobs, so to speak. I'm sure I can line something up for my oldest friend. The working man's a sucker, that's for damn sure.
You said it.
Okay, step one. I gotta introduce you to Giuseppe so we can pick up them discharge papers. Let's go.
Jadi kita mau ketemu sama si Joseph, guys. Si Joseph tuh orang yang bikinin kita surat keterangan dokter yang palsu. Oke, let's go.
You made enough cash for all this in the last 3 years?
More like the last 3 months. I barely had time to furnish the place.
3 months? Holy shit.
You just gotta know the right people, and you're all set, because you know me.
Juga ya. Kerja 3 tahun. Katanya kayak 3 bulan. Mendapat tuh apartemen.
So you thought about what you're gonna do now?
You said you were gonna introduce me to that guy Giuseppe.
No. I meant, you know, the big picture. When you was over there, didn't you think about what you was gonna do when you got back?
No, not really. Well, besides the usual, you know. Find a nice girl, settle down. Hey,
Ngebling ya.
you think I could,
What? Drive, Vito? The roads are icy. You ain't never drove a car before.
Joe, I was driving almost the whole time I was over there.
Yeah, but this ain't no tank, Vito. This is one of the nicest cars money can buy.
I didn't drive a tank, I drove a Jeep.
What the hell's a Jeep?
It's, never mind. You gonna let me drive or what?
All right. Here's the keys. Just be fucking careful.
Aman
All
aja,
right,
Jo.
when it's cold as fuck outside, you gotta give it a little more gas than usual. That's the pedal over there on the right.
I know, Joe, I know.
Ini kalau gak ada kejadian apa-apa,
Okay, now make a
Masuk aja
right
kayaknya.
here. Then just go straight for a while.
tinggi mulu ya.
Ooh, get a load of that baby.
Nice, that's a 42 Jefferson.
Mau maling lagi kayaknya
Beautiful
si
car like
Johnny.
that would be ashamed to smash the window. You should grab yourself some lockpicks over at Giuseppe's.
Oh, beli lockpick dulu katanya. Ini kah?
Welcome to Giuseppe's General Store, a thief's paradise. You name it, he's got it. He even sells phony gun permits and discharge papers for guys tired of getting their asses shot off.
Surganya para pencuri katanya ini.
Hey, Giuseppe, I brought you a
Hello,
new
Joe.
customer.
He's straight up, right?
Yes, sir, all the way. This here's Vito, my oldest friend. This is Giuseppe, the best safe cracker in Empire Bay.
Retired, please. How are you?
Cracker apaan ya guys ya?
Papers for you.
Yeah, they are. You got them finished already?
It was a pain in the ass, but sure, they're done.
Well, thanks. This really gonna work?
Nobody from the army would bother you again, trust me.
You see? What'd I tell you? Here's the money. Take your papers, Vito.
We need a set of lockpicks, too.
That we do. And guess who's paying for them?
Beli lockpick katanya. Oke. Nice. Oh, nggak bisa. Nggak bisa pencet escape itu. Harus pakai mouse.
Grazie. Well, you can test it right now. Here, take this lock. You just need to insert the pick into the lock and lift all the pins. You
Latihan
use
dulu,
the
latihan dulu.
wrench to hold the
Latihan
pins one by one. When all of the pins are set, just turn the wrench and the lock opens. Easy.
Pencet W. SOS.
Ah, damn it.
Hijau. Oke.
See you around, Giuseppe. Say Benedict.
Easy, huh?
Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. I do it all the time when I lock my keys in the car.
Santai.
Okay, you still feel like snagging that car?
You kidding me? Absolutely.
Well, here's your chance.
Mau aja si Vito diajak sesat sama si Ijo ya. Nice.
Possible stolen vehicle.
Tadi juga bilang.
Step on it.
Roger that.
Ampun pak.
Vehicle theft in progress. In pursuit of
It's
suspect.
not over yet. Lose him, quick.
10-4.
Mobilnya dikenali polisi harus ngumpet ini mah sinilah.
All right.
Punten,
Looks like we lost him. So how do you like the car?
Not too bad.
Think I'll keep it.
All right, let's go find ourselves a body shop. They provide the kind of services we're looking for.
Nice.
Afternoon. How can I help you? License plate. For you, no problem.
Iya aja dah.
There you go. Bring it by anytime.
Ini dibayarin si Jo guys. Kalau gitu tabir aja semuanya padahal tadi ya.
All right, next you should introduce yourself to Mike Brewski. They probably have some work for you.
All right, where is he?
He owns a junkyard over in Riverside. You can't miss him.
Hey, who's that guy back there?
What guy?
The guy at the body shop.
Oh, Tommy. He's my buddy's nephew. He's kind of quiet, but let me tell you, the kid's some hell of a dancer. Saw him at the old dance hall in Oyster Bay a couple of weeks ago. He had all the broads going nuts.
Do I detect a hint of jealousy?
Are you kidding? I don't need no dance moves. I got charm, my friend. Here, I'll give you some of my lines, so maybe you won't have to spend so many nights with Rosie Palm and her 5 sisters. Hey, here's one. Hey, is that a mirror in your pocket? 'Cause I can see myself in your pants. Hey, here, I got another one. If I could rearrange the alphabet, I'd put you and I together.
Kamu si Jo, gua skip
come
nih.
on.
Kita skip aja ya.
That's Mike's junkyard there. Just drive through the gate.
Udah sampai guys. Kita sudah sampai di si Mike Brewski adalah.
Hey,
Look who's
hey,
here.
Mikey boy, what's going on? Shit, Mike, you can wash your fucking hands once in a while. Now I need a fucking bath.
Hey, I've been working. Working people occasionally get dirty, you know? Besides, I just wiped them off.
With what? The same fucking rag you used to clean the toilet, you filthy fuck?
Put a lid on it. What are you, from the health department, or you want to do some business?
Business, of course. This here's my friend Vito. Vito, this is Mike Brewski, but don't shake his hand. I ain't got that much soap at home.
Nice to meet you, Vito.
Me and Vito go way
Sabut
back.
tangannya.
He just come back from overseas and he needs some cash. So I figure he can help with your supply problem. I can vouch for him.
Uh-huh. Okay. Joe told you about our side business, right?
Yeah.
I only want regular cars, nothing fancy. You get a cut of every car. I take as many as I can handle. And don't bring no cops around, okay? They follow you here. I don't know your ass from Jesus. You get me?
Got it.
God damn it, Mike! You put your grubby mitts on my fucking coat. I paid a fortune for this thing.
All right, calm down or I'll stick 'em up your ass, you sissy.
You know, dry cleaning costs these
Jesus
days plenty,
Christ.
and who knows if they can even get this filled
You
out.
shut up. Vito, listen to me. I need a Walter Coupe today. I got a few people looking for parts, but I can't find a car.
Because you don't know where to look. Every time I drive down Hunters, I see one parked by a bar there. I think the place is called the Lone Star.
Isn't that a
Kopi
Bolivian neighborhood?
lagi si
I'll
Vito
stick
ini.
out like a sore thumb.
All right, look, I'll give you $350 for it. It's worth the risk, right?
400.
All right, deal.
Vito, come on, let's go. Andiamo. Meantime, I'll be sending you the cleaning bill for my coat.
Yeah, I'll change my
$400.
address, you rat prick.
Okay, listen up. This is your maiden voyage, so to speak. So try not to fuck it up, eh? Here, Vito, take this, just in case.
Hey, nice.
Jago gua sama tembak-tembakan.
Hey, Mike,
Ayo.
mind if I test this thing out here?
Sure. Knock yourself out. Here you go. Aim for that old wreck over there.
Put the tire. Oke.
Hey, you ain't a bad shot. Hey, Vito, see if you can hit the gas tank.
Ah, shit. Did I leave gas in that thing?
There's a pull-out joke there, but I'll leave it alone.
Oh, yeah, that reminds me. Fuck you.
All right, that's enough
Sorry
shooting.
guys, ngantuk
We
euy.
got work to do.
Kayaknya beres maling mobil kayaknya udahan dulu deh. Bisa ngomong nih.
I told you what you gotta do. What else you wanna know? Look,
Okay,
I need
okay.
one Walter Coupe. What do you want me to do? Write it down for you? And don't go bringing the cops here.
Oke, aman, Mike, aman. Ke jalan, ke depan ada jalan ya, coba dah. Tapi di map ada kayaknya sih. Iya bener ada. Ayo, otot saja. Yang lihat-lihat kota. Ikut copyright, udahlah. Matiin aja.
All right, go out the way we came in and get on the main highway going west. Don't go back through the city. So how's it feel to be back?
Good. I feel a lot better with some money in my pocket.
Hey, what's the rush? Money don't buy you happiness, you know.
Get the fuck out of here.
I was just fucking with you. Don't worry about the money. This little job is just the beginning. Pretty soon you'll be rolling in it.
So, Sand Island's still the same shithole it was when I left?
No, the place actually ain't too bad now.
Oh shit. How the hell did that happen?
All the moolies flew south for the winter. Of course it's still a shithole, Vito. You only been gone a couple of years. Gonna take a lot longer than that for that neighborhood to turn around. Them people multiply like rabbits. What are you gonna do?
Bagus ya, kalau
It's
kita
even worse
langsung,
than when we
pada
was
minggir
kids.
langsung.
They even got some kind of gang there now. What's their fucking name? The Beamers, the Boomers, something like that. I don't fucking know.
Oh, that's just fucking great.
Hey, what are you worried about? They're animals. All they do is sell dope and kill each other. They ain't gonna bother a guy like you. And even if they do, that's why I gave you that pistol.
Oh, by the way, you're carrying a gun now? What's the deal with that?
Can't do business without it these days, especially in this fucking neighborhood.
You, really know how to inspire confidence, you know that?
Take a left up here.
I forgot how nice this neighborhood was. You know something? One of these days, I'm gonna buy a house here.
Look at this guy. Ain't even back a day, and he's too good for his old neighborhood.
Hey, what are you breaking my balls for? I'm just window shopping. It'll be years before I could afford a place like this.
You got champagne tastes and beer pockets, my friend. Don't worry, though. I'm gonna help you change that. It's that cream-colored baby over there. Be careful. Do it quick and get the fuck out of there. Break a window if you have to and go. I'll wait for you back at Mike's.
What if I run into problems?
Then you deal with them. Look, consider this a test. If you fail, I hear they're hiring down at the factory.
Right, just asking.
Good luck, pal. I see you back at Mike's.
Kita mau perang deh. Oh, bisa jalan ternyata, Tendang. Songong amat.
How you doing this afternoon?
Coba.
Hey! Beat it!
Up. Jangan hilang. Kalian mau rampok. Musuh di belakang.
Hey, what the fuck?
Nice.
Ah, shit.
Tawan,
Hey! Hey, what you doing, motherfucker?
Nah. Oh, kayaknya headset langsung mati dah. Nice. Sudah aja lah. Ada orang, Jemput. Au. Nice. Nah. Masih ada.
Here you go, motherfucker!
Motherfucker. Nice. Itu masih ada, Apa guys sih? Nggak bisa. Kencang nggak bisa. Nice. Jadi Masukin ke mobil ya itu mayatnya ya. Kalau bisa sih kita bawa. Nice. So guys, kita kabur. Kita jual. Lumayan $400. Bagus aja. Aduh. Wah, ada musuh tuh. Lari-lari. Alamak. Makan oi. Aman lah, aman. Wah, kenceng banget tuh. Wah, kawan. Kok ketahuan sih? Udah jauh kita. Harusnya udah gak ketahuan ini. Nah, aman. Let's go. Oke guys, kita udah sampai nih di Mike Bruski Cup and Salvage. Nah, tempat rongsokan.
Hey, mission accomplished. How'd it go?
Yeah, piece of cake. Except for the fact that the car belonged to a bunch of moolies who immediately tried to kill me right after you left.
Probably the bombers. Hunter's their neighborhood. Guys like that, you don't have to worry about them. They just hang out on the street, talk shit, steal shit, and smoke dope. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nice. No stains. Clean. The lowlife get the money for this. Probably stole it himself. It's nice, though. How much did I say I'd give you for it again?
600.
Oh, I like your buddy, Joe.
Dinaikin dong
Here's
harganya
your
masih
$400. Stop by again, okay? We can do some more business.
Yeah, you bet, Mike.
I see you, Mike. I'll stop by again real soon.
All
Me
right,
too.
boys. See you later.
Here's your 300 bananas. I'm taking my cut as the middleman. Next time, you're on your own.
All right. Thanks, Joe.
All right, let's go home. I'm exhausted.
Kayaknya ini udah mau beres dah misinya. Kita habis ini pulang. Kita udahan dulu kayaknya. Sini dulu. Karena awal-awal cuman ya gini doang. Belum ada aksi kayak gimana-gimana. Mungkin masih tutorial. Karena ini masih tutorial, jadi ya udahlah kita cukupkan dulu sampai di sini. Tapi nanti kalau kita udah sampai rumah si Joe, oke?
We should take the highway, Vito. All right, you pulled off that job without fucking it up. Nice going.
Yeah, but I almost got my ass kicked. I didn't live through the war just to die in Sand Island.
Hey, that's all part of the deal, pal. Take it or leave it. Besides, it ain't like you're qualified for anything else.
I guess you're right.
Don't worry about it. It's all gonna be a piece of cake.
So, what's the story with Brewski?
Mike's a good guy to know. He's a little grouchy, but he's always got a scam going. He deals with stolen cars mostly. Spent some time inside a while back. I heard he used to stick up gas stations back in the day.
You gonna make him pay the cleaning bill for your jacket?
Nah, I'll let that one slide. I do a lot of business with the guy. Plus, he's got one hell of a temper. One time we was at the track and some mick spilled a beer on his wind ticket. Mike beat the shit out of him till he went blind in one eye. For a lousy $10. You believe that shit?
Sounds like kind of a scumbag.
Hey, you just gotta know how to handle these people. And Mike's a pussycat compared to some of the guys I met since he shipped out. You'll see.
Oke guys, kita udah sampai di rumahnya si Joe.
Hey, is there a safe place to park around here? I don't want to leave this thing out in the street.
Yeah, that's why you're parking your car next to mine in the garage. The streets are full of criminals these days.
Yeah, the neighborhood ain't what it used to be, huh?
Miliknya sendiri kriminal. Pencet E. Nah, jadi kemungkinan besar besok ini kita bakal kerja lagi ini mah. Gimana lagi? Ya, hutang dari bapaknya belum meninggal ada 2000 dolar tadi kalau nggak salah. Dan si debt collectornya mau minggu ini udah kelar itu hutang. Ya mau gak mau si Vito ini harus kerja keras nih supaya dapat 2000 dolar. Lihat nih. Wah, ada 300. Belum cukup. Dan tadi dapat 400 dah jual mobil. Di korupsi Joe ini mah.
If you're hungry, there's some food in the refrigerator. You hungry, Vito? Take whatever you want from the fridge.
Oke guys, kayaknya untuk perjalanan si Vito cukup sampai sini dulu kayaknya ya. Dan kita akan lanjut lagi di episode selanjutnya. Oke, bye.